Hello and welcome to my Bike and Me. So today in my workshop I'm going to take off my stock air filter off my Harley and put on a Screaming Eagle air filter. So let's do that together, shall we? I'm just going to go out and remove the stock one, and then we'll put the Screaming Eagle on. Let's do that together. Okay, let's take the stock cover off. Right, that's the stock air filter taken off. Just got to take this backing plate off now. Right, that's all the old stuff taken off. Let's start assembling the new stuff, shall we? So, got a new gasket. The gasket goes on there like that. Before you do that, I'm just going to clean that surface with a panel wipe. Just going to make sure that surface is nice and clean. So having put those three screws in, this gasket then needs to go on there like that. But what you do, you peel the backing paper off of this, gasket, and you stick that to this cover. So if you push the three screws through, you're in the right place. That then goes on there. Tighten them up. Okay, next bit is you've got to put the original breather screws back in there. But before you do that, you have to remove the little O-rings on them and put some Loctite on the studs. So I'll do that now. So with the fitting kit you get a little tube of Loctite to use. So I'll just put that on those breather screws. Right, so I've put these two breather screws back in and I've just tightened them up. So that's now firmly in place, held in place by these three screws. Say that again, held in place by these three screws and the two breather nuts. Next thing you get is these little, like hoses if you like. They go over the top of those and press into these little bits here. Okay, now you put the filter on there. I'll just show you how this fits. Yeah, like that. Tighten them up. But before you do that, you just got to put some Loctite on them. So I'll just put some Loctite on these and tighten them up. So just tighten those in place. Okay, so next we got a new plate, a Screaming Eagle plate to stick on the front. So the previous one was a normal stock 1200 Sportster thing that went on there, and now you got a Screaming Eagle one. So just put that on there. Just drop the screws in. Screw comes out the other side, and you put this little spacer on there, and then on there you got a little clip that goes on that just holds that in place, stops it all from coming out. So that just screws on like a thread really. So that goes on there, and you do exactly the same with the other one. That just stops it all from falling to bits. Spacer, retaining clip. You then have a spacer that fits in there nice and snug, like that, and then that whole thing then screws into place. All you have to do is line the screws up. Yeah. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is all there is to it. It's quite a quick and simple job really. Right, let's take the bike outside and start it up, shall we? So there we are, my Screaming Eagle air filter fitted. Right, so hope you guys have, it's a very quick video, but I hope you guys have enjoyed yourself, and until next time, you guys stay safe. See you later. Bye bye.